Hi again, we're back with part 3 of our Hydra Tower Getting Started series. After assembling your Hydra Tower in part 1 of this series and learning to plant your seeds, and now that we've started to see germination, this segment will focus on pruning and sprout care. So in general, you'll be looking for 2 to 3 inches of sprout growth, and you may need to thin them out. Simply trim or cut these down to a single sprout. Now, if you have multiple sprouts, you'll want to choose the best looking one and trim the rest. The idea is to choose the best and clear winners. Now, you want to keep this environment clean and debris free just by removing any dead sprouts as well. It's not rocket surgery. What's next? Hurry up and wait. They gotta grow. Now that you have about 2 to 3 inches of length to your sprouts, you'll want to start introducing plant nutrients. You'll want to follow the provided and recommended feeding guidelines for the nutrients of your choice. There are several great nutrient providers. I happen to use General Hydroponics. They have very easy to use starter nutrients and easy to read guidelines. After introducing nutrients, it's important to think about water health. 1 to 2 times a week, you'll want to check the pH and the EC levels, depending on your schedule. As your plants mature, they'll begin to consume more water, so you'll want to make sure you're always checking the water levels, the nutrient levels, and pruning. Unlike growing in soil, it's very easy to measure these areas, and it really helps you fully optimize your grow capabilities. There are plenty of resources available on our website, or you simply give us a call, located right here in Michigan. Once your plants start to mature more, you'll be feeding weekly or as needed, so it's important to increase your watering schedule and adjust your pump cycle to 1 minute on for every 15 to 20 minutes off for good plant growth. At this point, provide optimal lighting for your grow tower so your sprouts can begin to grow strong. You'll be shooting for 8 to 10 hours of natural lighting in a well-lit, sunny window that isn't too cold, or you'll need to use some simple grow lights.